Up here,
Oh,
Wolf.
shit.
Close the door.
Oh crap, where are you?
Shit.
Pavlovo military base.
Fuck. I can hear barking.
Right. Coming.
No, not growling, they're barking.
Oh, they're probably tagging a zombie. Trying to figure out where they're at.
Or a person. I don't know where they are. But that zombie just out there is just walking like merrily.
You might be right. It might be a person.
Sound like they were attacking. They sounded that way, didn't they? Like in the base.
There are no dogs here, guys.
There was.
It's only zombies.
They're barking.
There was a dog.
Mhm.
Are you outside, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just outside.
Oops. I hear you panting. But yeah, like see where the rocks are? It was coming from that direction, like to the left of the rocks.
Well, they should come from that direction as well. They got like 3 spawns that way, and then they got 2 spawns towards 4.
What, in this?
Zombie down here on the left.
Yeah, you got him?
Yeah. Okay, I heard him. Go down, go down, go down.
Down where? Fuck.
Run, run,
Here?
run, 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 run.
Fuck.
Just, oh shit, they're right there next to us.
Shit.
To the left.
Hit.
Shit. Get in. Get in. Get in.
These things.
Away. Ninja, move left. Go on, man.
I'm bleeding to death.
I'm reloading, I'm reloading. Did someone shut the door? I need to reload my mags. Shut the door. Close the main door. You alright, John?
I'm good. I just can't do anything.
What do you mean?
Can't do anything.
There we go.
Oh, okay, like that.
There's
Well-
more out there.
Yeah,
That
there's
went
one.
I know.
Did anyone
I
get
think
hit?
And it's kind of stupid because the only wolf we didn't kill was the fucking alpha wolf.
I was fucking desyncing.
Did anyone get hit? Or you're right?
I'm good.
That was pretty. Alright, let's get this last one. You got him? Who's
Yeah.
fighting?
Through the wall.
Yeah.
Can we shoot him?
I'm going out to shoot him.
I stabbed him in the head. What?
Oh, the zombie's coming.
Oh.
Fuck me.
Jesus Christ, guys.
How many were
What?
there? 1, 2, 3. I think there's a pile of 3 in the doors. That's 4, 5, 6. 6. Oof. Told you there was wolves.